Welcome back to another episode of Our Second Empire. Hi little mama, how are you doing? This is the perfect video to send to your friends so that they can kind of help out with you and your newborn. So, your best friend is either having a baby or just had a baby, and you might feel a little neglected, but don't be. You're still really prevalent in that person's life, and there are a few things you can do to help them out. Help them meal prep. So before they go into labor, it would be amazing if you could call your friend and say, hey, what are 3 or 4 or 5 really good dishes that you want made for you when you come home from the hospital? Go ahead and meal prep them, freeze them, have your backdoor key, sneak in, and put them in the freezer. If you come over, be really quiet. Be the kind of friend that helps with the laundry. Be the kind of friends that might switch the bed sheets. Be the kind of friend that just fluffs up the pillow, fills the water in the tea kettle, empties out the old coffee, takes out the garbage, and leaves through the back door, equally as quiet as you came in. Help with some things with the baby. If your girl just needs to go shopping with her. You would be so surprised at the amount of conversation had, especially with a newborn, especially when the only person that person has been having conversations with is somebody that can't really talk back. Be the kind of friend that allows your friend to just babble on, like I'm doing now. If your best friend just had a baby, she's probably not likely to be coming out of the house anytime soon. And for at least the next 50 to 90 days, she's just going to be solely absorbed with her new child. So be patient. Understand that she's going to call you. She just might not feel like talking. But one thing you need to remember is that postpartum depression is real. You go from having all these elated emotions, your hair looks good, your skin is amazing, to having a baby and all your hormones are flushed out, your hair begins to fall out, your body has changed significantly, your boobs aren't exactly what you thought they were gonna be. Be supportive. Be the kind of friend that you see them and you just say, wow, you look beautiful, you're so happy, and fill that person with good emotional light. All right, little mama, I hope that helps. So go ahead and send that to your friends and just fill them with love. They're gonna feel neglected. You might feel neglected. So if you both feel neglected, text each other. And other friend, don't forget to give your girlfriend a call. Just tell her, hey, I'm still here whenever you need to talk. You're not going through this alone, and I'm more than happy to help out with whatever it is that you need. Even if it is just picking up the dry cleaning or grabbing some McDonald's on your way over. You never know what that girl needs, so just give her a call and ask. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and like I always say, don't forget to check out the website. Have an amazing day.